Number 5 is Epson Workforce Pro WF-78 series. Are you looking for a sublimation printer that can produce high-quality prints for your fine art projects? Look no further than the Epson Workforce Pro WF-78 series. This printer is equipped with a 4.3-inch color touchscreen that allows for quick navigation and control. It also comes with the Epson Smart Panel App, which enhances connectivity and productivity from your mobile device. Setting up the printer is a breeze thanks to its wireless capabilities, including Bluetooth Low Energy, built-in Wi-Fi Direct, and Ethernet networking. With two 250-sheet input trays, a 50-sheet rear tray, and an automatic document feeder that can handle up to 50 sheets, the WF-78 series is designed for productivity. It also offers automatic two-sided printing and can print up to 13 inches by 19 inches, making it perfect for wide-format printing. Using PrecisionCore Heat-Free Technology, this printer delivers high-speed prints of up to 25 black/12 color ISO ppm, with a fast first page out. Plus, it uses accurate dot placement and DURABrite Ultra instant dry pigment inks to ensure that your prints are of the highest quality. If you like this printer, then you can purchase it by visiting the link in the description box below. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best sublimation printer for fine art. If you like any of these best sublimation printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.